Why local service business is the best opportunity in 2024 and why online businesses are designed to keep you broke forever. Local service is like playing the game on easy mode, right? Easy, medium, hard, where online is like playing the game on hard mode. What do I mean by that? I want you to imagine that you have a ladder like this, right? I like to call this the ladder of business. On the left, this left side, left stick, we have marketing. On the right side, we have sales, and all the middle rungs are your product slash service. In order for you to make $10,000 a month online, you must be a level 10 at all of these. You have to be a level 10 at marketing. You have to be a level 10 at sales. You have to be a level 10 at what you do, product or service. For example, if you're drop shipping or doing Amazon FBA, you better be level 10. You better have a level 10 product, a level 10 service, etc. You have to be really, really good at what you do if you want to make any type of real big boy money online. Anyone can make a couple bucks, anyone can make a few $100s, and that's really nothing online because it's 80% expenses, only 20% profit. You must be a level 10 of all of these to make real money online. You have to be let's say you're doing FBA, you have to be really good at just picking the right product. It's super competitive, etc. You need a lot of money to start buying all that inventory. It's super hard. Drop shipping, you got to be a level 10 at marketing, right? You have to be really good at media buying, running ads, like top of the line. Like if you're like top 1% media buyer, then you can make real money with drop shipping. Sales, in the case of drop shipping, it's CRO, right? Conversion rate optimization. You have to design your store, you have to design your website, automations, etc. You have to be really good at all that stuff just to really convince someone to buy. And then you have to have a really good product or service, whether you're doing drop shipping, really good product, no service, really good product, whether you're doing drop shipping or you're doing FBA. Really good product research, and anyone can sell the same product as you, right? There's nothing stopping me from buying the same exact stuff you're selling on China, making the same exact store on Shopify, and just making the same exact ads as you. Nothing. But with online's hard. With local service, it's easy. Marketing, sales, product, and service. You can be average / a beginner at all of these and make $10,000 in profit, not sales. Drop shipping, if you do $10,000 sales, you'll be lucky to make like $3,000 profit. You might as well just go get a full-time job at that point, right? I did $14,000 my first month in sales with a pressure washing business, local service business, $27,000 in my third month, and $100,000 in 4 months in sales, right? Competition. So this is an online business, right? There's one C for customer and a B for business. There's one customer. Let's say this is someone who's interested in buying a product that you're drop shipping, or someone who's interested in buying a specific product off of Amazon. Or let's say you're doing a marketing agency and this is one particular business that you're looking to target and sell them your marketing or whatever AI services. So you have one customer and there's literally 100 different plus businesses that could target them. All these businesses competing for the same exact customer. They're competing for the same exact person who's going to buy your product on Amazon or your Shopify store from your ads, or the same exact local business that's going to buy your marketing services or whatever the hell you're selling, right? Because it's all online. There's nothing stopping me from coming after your client or selling the same product as you on Amazon or whatever to the same exact person, because it's all online. There's no barrier to entry, right? 10 buyers, this is right here, 10 buyers competing with one customer. This is the reality of online business. There are 100 other people trying to sell the same product as you on Amazon or dropship with Facebook or TikTok ads. With local service, there is a fraction of the competition. You're only competing with a few other local businesses in your area. And guys who are doing online are usually, they know it takes a lot of skill to be online. So you're competing with some really good guys, right? Your competition isn't with like the people who suck. Your competition is with the people who are good. With local business, 90% of local business owners just suck. They're just fucking terrible. You can easily come in and start making $10,000 a month easily with a local service business. There's less competition and the competition sucks. Would you rather go into a business where the competition is higher, there's more competition, so less margin, and there's more competition and they're really highly skilled, or where there's lower competition, so you have more profit, and the competition sucks, so they're easy to beat? You could easily become number one. I stole $100,000 worth of sales from all my competition in just 4 months because they all suck, right? So here's a depiction of red ocean versus blue ocean. So red ocean, you can see there's all this red. The ocean's red because there's so much blood in the water. Everyone's fighting for the same customer, trying to kill each other, cutting prices, right? Drop shipping or doing FBA until you have like 10% margin left. So there's no money. It's not worth it. Or blue ocean, which is where you want to be, and look, the water's clear, there's no competition, there's no blood in the water, there's plenty of money to be made, right? Online businesses have a lot of blood in the water. There's way too much competition. That's why most dropshippers are broke. Most dropshippers are broke as a joke, watching the same YouTube videos. I make more pressure washing than 99% of dropshippers ever will in their life. I did $27,000 in a single month pressure washing, and most of it was profit. Most dropshippers, let's say 15K profit from pressure washing. If you want to do $15,000 in profit, drop shipping, you have to be doing at least $75,000 to $150,000 in sales, right? If you're doing 10% profit, you have to do $150,000 in sales in a month. You know how fucking good you have to be and how unrealistic it is to do $150,000 in sales in a month? That's 1.8, that's almost $2 million a year. Ridiculous, right? So with online businesses, if you're selling something online on Amazon or Shopify, after product costs and ads, you'll profit 10% if you're good. So online, all this red, see, expenses, right? Expenses online, it's all red. It's just a little bit of, get a little bit of profit left on the top. With local, it's reversed, right? With local service businesses, it's the other way around. You can profit 80 to 90% on a $400. On a $400 sale, I profit $300, $350 in just a couple hours of work. So local service, all this green is profit. Profit, this is mostly profit, a little bit of expenses. With drop shipping, Amazon FBA, it's the other way around. If you don't believe me, I've talked to guys who are doing Amazon FBA. They'll say they've done $100,000 in sales and their profit is 10%. If I do $100,000 in sales, I'm making a good chunk of change in profit, more than half. Where they're making 10%, it's like you might just go get a job. You know how hard it is to do $100,000 worth of sales on Amazon? All that work, effort, money you're putting up front to buy products just to freaking make chargebacks, just to make 10% profit. I don't know why you do that. It's stupid, at least to me. So would you rather be in a business that's harder to start and earns less online, or a business that's easier to start and can earn more, right? So let's see what some of my mentees had to say. The slideshow should have already been up, but let's just pull it up here. So first, here's a little bit about me, right? You know, I tried online business, etc. I'm here to kind of dispel the myth that online businesses are super easy and beginner friendly. No matter what the gurus tell you, they're not, and most of you won't make any change. Not to hurt your ego, because I had a problem too, but if you just want to make money like me, I was making $10,000. I did $14,000 my first month, and it was a majority profit, pressure washing. So I would never do anything that I wouldn't use for my own business. Here's me cashing checks regularly, $4,000 check, right? $1,000 check, $1,625 check. There's me with my pressure washing trailer. I didn't start off with that. Here's my bank statement so you can see. Let's go here. Total deposits and other credits, $20,000. Total deposits and other credits, $20,000 in a single month from pressure washing. I also did $8,000 cash, which I didn't deposit for obvious reasons. Most of this was profit. So go figure how much I made in a month. All right. This is one of my mentees, Daiwan. I helped grow his business. He said my life changed completely. We added $80,000 in new sales to his business last year, and most of that was profit. Not $80,000 drop shipping where you make like $10,000. Over half of this was profit. He just moved into, he's buying a new house this year, right? This is Muaz, 20K for 7 weeks. Brand new, nothing. One of my students, I took it from zero to doing 20K in 7 weeks, business in a box opportunity. Not that I'm selling some business in a box. You obviously got to put the work in, but pretty, like, literally, that's how I fucking made it for him. Excuse my language. Ahmed City Pro Wash, $10,000 first month. I can keep going. Here's me literally, regularly cashing. Here's people Venmoing me tens of thousands of dollars for pressure washing their houses. You know, you can pause and add it up. Boom. All right. Here's me doing, I think it's the next one, $2,500 in a single day. May 25th last year, $2,500 in a single day. Month 1, I did $14,000. Month 2, I did $27,000. Month 3, consistently beyond, I did $27,000 in a single month. Right? So, if you want to start your own local service business, because like I said, it is one of the best, it is the best opportunity in 2024. The best opportunity. I'll help you launch a home service business and get your first 15 clients for you, completely guaranteed. Why? Because I've done it over 50 times. I'll pick the business less service for you. I'll teach you how to do the work, and I'll get the clients for you on your calendar. So all you have to do is show up and do the work. So if you have, again, it's not for everyone. You can't be lazy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not just going to be sitting on your ass making money like all the online gurus say. You have to actually do work. But you can make a really good fucking living. Like, I make over $10,000 a month pressure washing. So if you have at least $2,000 and want to start your own local service business, you need at least $2,000. That allows you to actually buy all the shit you need and work with me. If you're completely broke, then you don't have any capital to spend to start the business, then go get some money or open a credit card, etc. Come back. I've had many people start this business on it. I started my business on a credit card, and then I did $14,000 my first month. So go open a line of credit or get at least $2,000. You can't start a business if you're completely broke, no matter what the online gurus tell you. You can book a call by clicking the link down below. And here's how I'll actually kind of help you, and I'll help you launch a successful home service business. First, before we do anything, is we're going to pick your service. I do pressure washing. I help people do painting, auto detailing, tree trimming, etc. We'll see which one's best for your area. We're going to pack the schedule with jobs, right? I'll do the same rapid growth formula I use to scale to $27,000 a month. Treat your business like it's mine. We're going to book them out 2 weeks, meaning that we're going to launch the ads. We're going to book them out 2 weeks. I'm gonna walk you through how to charge, how to price, and how to charge high prices, like I do, and how to schedule them in. We'll do live training and practice the work. So I'll give you live training, live one-on-one training and practice with me beforehand before you go out. And even when you go out there for the first week or two, on-job FaceTime calls one-on-one until you're 100% comfortable, get the hang of it. Usually this only takes about a week or two. You'll be a professional in 2 weeks or less. That's kind of my guarantee. I'm going to show you how to collect the money, how to collect payment like a pro, reinvest into scaling so we can actually get you doing $10,000 plus a month and scale past $10,000 a month. So if this sounds like something you want to do, you want to take advantage of the opportunity of starting your own local service business and working with me directly one-on-one, not some other coach in some huge program, directly with me one-on-one, I'll partner with you and help you scale this business, and you have at least $2,000 to your name, whether it's cash, credit, whatever, $2,000 to spend today. Book a call with me down below, and I'll talk about how I can personally help you successfully launch your own home service business and start making $10,000 a month, start making money for month one, profit for month one. So first link in the description, book a call with me, and I'll see you there.